In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Facebook ads off. Navigating the digital landscape of advertising can sometimes feel like steering a ship through murky waters, but fear not. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of turning your Facebook ads off. Whether you're adjusting your marketing strategy, taking a break, or simply wanting to pause your spend, you'll find these steps incredibly helpful. First things first, start your journey by heading over to the Facebook Business Manager. This hub is where the magic happens, where you can manage all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. If you've never been here before, prepare to be introduced to your new command center for everything Facebook advertising related. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. Click on the Login with Facebook button. This is a standard procedure ensuring that the person attempting to make changes is indeed the account holder or someone with the requisite permissions. You might be thinking, but what if I manage multiple accounts? Well, Facebook has you covered. At this stage, you'll be able to choose which account you want to proceed with. Make your selection and move forward confidently. Next on our list is clicking on Ads, located on the lower left panel of your screen. The interface of Facebook Business Manager is designed to be user-friendly, but with so many options, it can feel overwhelming at first. Just remember, the lower left side is your navigation beacon for today's journey. Having found and clicked on Ads, you'll now see an option for Ads Manager. This is where all your active, paused, and draft ads live. Click on Ads Manager to dive deeper into your advertising world. Alright, now that we're in the Ads Manager, it's time to zero in on the campaigns you wish to pause. Look for a section or tab named Campaigns. This is where Facebook groups all your advertising efforts. Each campaign you've run, are running, or plan to run in the future can be found here. The direct link to access your campaigns is often https://adsmanager.facebook.com/adsmanager/manage/campaigns. This URL will take you straight to the heart of your advertising operations. Upon arriving at your campaigns, you'll notice the structure of the page. Campaigns at the top, followed by ad sets, and then individual ads. We're focusing today on the campaign level because toggling a campaign off will pause everything within it, all its ad sets and ads. This is the most efficient way to stop your advertising spend without having to go through each ad set or ad individually. Now for the final step, turning your campaign off. Look for a toggle or switch in the first column next to your campaign's name. This little switch is more powerful than it looks. By clicking on it, you can turn your campaign off or on. When you click to turn it off, you're essentially pausing all advertising activities for that campaign. It's instant peace of mind. Remember, turning a campaign off doesn't delete it or remove any of your work. You can come back and turn it back on whenever you're ready. A tip before we wrap up, always review your campaigns before turning them off. Sometimes you might find that only certain ads or ad sets need pausing. This flexibility allows for finer control over your advertising efforts and budget. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning off your Facebook ads. Whether you're pausing for strategic planning, budgeting reasons, or simply taking a break, knowing how to efficiently manage your campaigns gives you greater control over your online presence and spend. Remember, the world of Facebook advertising is vast and full of potential. Today's pause could be the precursor to tomorrow's dynamic new campaign. So take this knowledge, use it wisely, and when you're ready to dive back in, those ads will be waiting for your command to go live once more. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it clear, informative, and empowering. Happy advertising, or in this case, happy pausing.